Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete suggested on Facebook Messenger. Have you ever wondered how Messenger suggests a list of friends when you occasionally search in the search bar or forward something to a friend? The app suggests a list of people because you may have listed them in your contact list and sync them with your Facebook or Messenger. Sometimes it may also show you suggestions because you may have previously chatted with them, even if you've deleted those conversations if you want to remove suggested people from your device. I'll show you how to do it using my Android phone. This is just a quick video tutorial, so for a deeper dive into the topic, let's get started. The steps for deleting suggestions on the Messenger app are really simple and easy. First, open your Messenger app and go to your profile. Now scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety. Then click on Hidden Contacts where you can hide suggested people on your Messenger app. Now simply click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Search for and add the people you want to hide from the suggested list. Once you've done that, that person will no longer appear in the Messenger suggested list. This way, you'll be able to delete the list of suggested friends on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end and see you in the next video.